So not every production issue is a machine problem. Sometimes it's missteps and unclear processes, or no one knowing who did what. So in this video, I'll show you how to build operator accountability, and reduce errors, improve traceability, and keep production running smoothly. So sometimes the problem is no clear accountability. Paper sign-offs and memory-based tracking can fall apart under pressure. And when no one's sure who did what, mistakes slip through and rework piles up. During shift handovers, it's even harder to see what things went wrong. So the mindset shift needs to be clarity, not blame. Because accountability isn't about pointing fingers. It's about making responsibilities clear step by step. And when operators sign off digitally at each stage, it builds trust and keeps the processes right. So I think a fix is digital sign-offs and real-time tracking, giving operators clear instructions and a system that tracks process using digital sign-offs to confirm that each task is done by the right person at the right time. Then you can instantly trace any issue back to its source, no more guesswork. And the result of this is fewer errors and more consistency, because when people know what's expected and that it's being tracked, they perform with more focus. You reduce the mistakes, you simplify audits, and you build a culture of responsibility across the production line. So if you want fewer errors and more consistency, accountability is where it starts. Start by making each step clear and track who's doing what. So want to spot your own process gaps? Download our free consistency checklist over on our website and start tightening things up.